How many times? Chapter 9, Class 3, Subject Maths. Prepared by Srimati Shima Chakraborty, PRT, KV number 1, Ishapur. Multiplication is actually the repeated addition. Okay. So arrays can be used to show that multiplication is repeated addition. Addition here, see here there are 3 circles. Within the one circle there are another 2 circles. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Or this is the addition. But when you will show this addition in terms of multiplication, then it will be 3 groups of 2 is 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. That is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Again, look at here. There are how many containers? 5 containers. Okay. And in the container there are 3, these labels are there. Okay. So 5 threes. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. There are 5 threes is equal to 15. And it also can be written as 5 into 3. The multiplied by model. Look at here. 3 into 4 is the same as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, as I have already told. Now how can you show it in number line? Now if I draw the line from 0 to 12, just by the repetition of 3, the waves have been drawn here with the repetition of plus 3. Look at here, children. You can understand. So it is 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So here also in a box there are 3 oranges. How many boxes are there? 4 boxes. In each box there are 3 oranges. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So now what is the multiplication strategies? The array has been given here. There are 3 columns, 3 rows. In each row there are 4 x. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Similarly, equal groups. How can you do this? There are 3 circles. In each circle there are 4x. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now it is here nothing but it is only the repeated addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. And just now I have already shown you the number line. How to draw the number line 3 into 4. Okay. So do it, children. Yes. Now look at, this is the multiplication grid. In the first row, this is, the first row, the first box is into this multiplication sign. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then next into is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now here 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Then 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So in this way you can automatically do it. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 4, 16. 5 into 5 is 25. 6 into 6 is 36. 7 into 7 is 49. So in this way you can go on. It's a complete grid. Yes, there is a wonderful maths crossword puzzle, children. Do this across and down. The first box is 2 into dash is equal to 6. Obviously it is 3. So solve it, children. It's a very nice crossword puzzle for you, and complete this. Wow. Now look at here. This is a multiplication tree for you. Here in the first this is the first part, first branch. You are seeing that 12 is there. 12. Now 12 can be written as 4 into 3, 3 into 4, 2 into 6 and 6 into 2. Similarly for 10, 10 look at here, 2 into 5, 5 into 2, 10 into 1. Similarly for 18, again for 35, 24, 36, 80, look at here 80, 8 into 10 is 80, 4 into 20 is 80, 2 into 40 is 80, 1 into 80 is 80, 16 into 5 is 80. So these are, these are the factors. You can tell that these are the factors of 80. It's a very good another way of doing multiplication, and it is a Chinese multiplication. The first one I am showing here, 21 into 12. 21. The ones place is 1, so you have to draw one line, and 2 is in the tens place, draw two lines. Here in 1, 2, that is 12. 1 is in the tens place, so draw it one line, and 2 is in the ones place, so draw two lines. And just where their two lines meet, you just draw the point over or circle over. How many circles you are getting in the first one? So it is a diagonal 2. First one is 2, and diagonally 4 here plus 1, it is 5, and here it is 2. So this is a wonderful way of multiplication, of multiplying the two numbers. So this is one of the example. You can try it. For 433 into 12, 16 into 24, do it children. Another practice time for you. Rewrite using the plus sign here. 2 into 5 is 2 times 5, or 5 plus 5, how many 5 will be there? Then dash into 4 into 18 is 4 times. Okay, so write down here. 4 times 20, how many it will be? 3 times 9. Okay, so this way you have to do it. It's a worksheet for you children. Multiply a 2-digit number by a single digit. Do complete this in your classwork copy. Another worksheet for you. Multiplication, that is 2 digits by 2 digit. Here also any method you can follow. Chinese multiplication, normal multiplication, whatever multiplication you have understood, you do it. Now this is a commutative property. Just I am giving one example. 8 into 5 is equal to dash into 8. In the dash it will be 5. 6 into 7 is equal to 7 into dash. It will be 6. So this is the commutative property. So do it, complete it children. Now next one is describing model equal groups. Answer the questions that describes each model. How many trees are there? There are 4 trees. How many fruits are there in each tree? You have to write. Write a multiplication sentence to describe the model. How many fruits are there altogether? So wonderful that what you have learnt now, just you have to write it here. How many cages are there? How many rabbits are there in each cage? Write a multiplication sentence to describe the model. How many rabbits are there in all? So do it children. Now some clue words I must give you. Addition, when there are some problem sums, in all, sum, total, more than, plus, altogether, increased by, add. So these are the clue words you have to do addition. Subtraction, the clue words here, fewer, left, less than, take away, minus, difference, remain, decreased, how many more. This is subtraction. Multiplication, the clue words are here product, times, twice, each, factor, altogether, in all, multiply, total. Division, quotient, half, dividend, divided, shared, equally, same, grouped, separated. Here actually division we are not dealing with now. So remember only up to multiplication. When we'll deal with division, I'll tell you the clue words. Now here is a worksheet for problem sums. The first question is, if the weight of one plate is 236 gram, what is the total weight of 6 such plates? So children, read the question properly and do it. Solve it. Another worksheet for the problem sums. A ream, that is 500 sheets of paper, is 4 centimeter thick. How thick would 5 reams be? You get 6 apples in a bag. How many apples in 2 bags? So this way you have to solve it, children. Do it. Thank you, children. So you have learned the multiplication, how to do multiplication, how to write the sentence for the multiplication problem, and how to solve the sentence problems. Thank you, children. God bless you.